my mom would have been so happy to be here and so proud. She was my biggest supporter and influence. It's because of my mom that I'm here today. Well, obviously. We're all here because of our mothers. But more specifically, she's the one who has inspired me through her example of volunteerism and compassion and just pure aloha. And directly, because when she would get involved in something like Maui Adult Daycare Centers, where she volunteered for over 20 years, then she would ask me if I would come and help out also. And so I'm very grateful for her, and I humbly accept this honor on her behalf, because I know she's here with us in spirit.